Hi, it's Stephanie here, and today I'm doing a review for a new topper from a company that I've never reviewed a topper for, and it's called Newtimeshair. This is a wholesale topper company that mainly supplies to salons and uh, and large and for very large orders, I guess for stores that sell toppers. So this topper, this is called the MONOT Topper, and it's in color number 2. It's 16 inches, and it's virgin human hair. So it's really like the hair quality really feels soft and just like it looks great. The base is five inches by 6 inches, and it has 4 clips. What is interesting to note for this topper is that there's no wefting in there. So you can do a part anywhere within this whole area, which is really nice. Um, what I chose to do is I chose to change the part. When I took it out of the box, it was very straight down the middle. So I decided to do a side part. And in the description, I'll link a video that I did that shows you how to change a part in a topper to make your topper a little bit more natural looking. So I'm going to put the topper on now. So you can take a look. All right. There we go. Okay, so here's a topper on. Now, I didn't choose this color. They chose this color for me. This color is definitely too dark for me personally. I mean, it looks okay and it will blend with my bio hair, but it's definitely more of a severe color. Like I probably wouldn't have picked this out for myself. But here are the pros and the cons of this topper. Pro, really great quality hair. Like the hair feels fantastic. Con, I would say, is if we look really, really close in here, and come up as close as I can, you can see the grid lines of the topper. Now, I tried to style it to make it look as natural as possible, but by bringing some hair out like this, which takes the focus away from it takes the focus away from the like scalp part of the topper and really puts a focus more on the hair. So I've done what I can with the topper to make it look as natural as possible. But if you do go in close, I would say that there are grid lines on here. Now, who would I recommend a topper like this for? Is probably not someone with hair loss at the stage that I have that I have hair loss. And I say that because when you look at someone like me, my hair loss is in this area all around here. Like this is where it's really, really thin. So for someone like me, I need a bigger base. But I know that for first-time topper buyers out there, this is good for you to see what a 5x6 base looks like, in that it works for someone like me that has more severe hair loss, but it probably is best suited for someone who has less severe hair loss than me. So meaning that maybe this area of your part is looking, a little bit thin and you want to add a little bit of extra hair, but you have more hair than what I have, because I have thinning all over. So a bigger base is more appropriate for someone with my stage of hair loss. But I will say the quality of the hair is really great, and I'm just going to go back a little bit so that you can see it all. And it is really nice to be able to part the topper anywhere you want. That's a luxury that a lot of toppers don't have. So I definitely think that if you want to have that freedom to part anywhere around here, anywhere within the base, this topper, it gives you that. And so I'm just going to do a little turn for you so you can see the back. But great quality hair, and if you are looking for a smaller base, this is a great topper. It's very versatile, so it'll work on someone like me, but also work on someone who is in the first stages of thinning hair. Thanks, until next time, bye.